How to upload photos to Canva mobile app. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can upload photos to the Canva mobile app. So let's just dive right into the video and find out how to. So if you want to upload photos to Canva mobile app, first of all, you can open up the Canva app itself in your mobile device. And once you are logged in, you'll be finding this interface. So in the bottom, you can find this upload option, which is the plus icon. You can use this option if you want to upload your picture. So from this section, you can select the file you want to upload, for example, resume. So you can just go ahead and select up the ratio first. For example, the ratio. After that, in the bottom, you can find these options, gallery, brand, different options. You can use this option called gallery and give access. After that, you can use this method in order to upload the picture from your gallery. You can just go ahead and select it. So that is it. That is how you basically upload photos at Canva app very easily. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.